Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. Today I am using the Wave Kissed bundle by Rachel Ertog and Anita Designs. And I generally do not like to use a themed bundle like this, except for my one exception, which is ocean-themed bundles. We spend a lot of time at the ocean, and now we even live right by the ocean, so we have a lot of photos that fit this theme. So it is one theme that I return to again and again, because this is just a random week and a considerable number of the photos are from on the beach, so I don't have to try too hard to use a kit like this. So this is a pretty standard layout for me. I'm starting here by placing my photos in the background. And then once I have those situated how I like, I will start adding in the elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.